So as you can see, Anthony, we've got your assessment here. We're going to go ahead and we're going to start to look at some dynamics of your face, okay? One of the things you asked about was the alignment of the face, starting on your intended line. And since face angle is so critical to starting on the intended line, that would be a big consideration. Now, in Sam Putt Lab, the red, yellow, green, obviously are percentages. Okay, and this down at the bottom, so your consistency was 89%, okay? Face aim is 73%, a little low, because actually it's interesting because you said that you have 2 degrees left, but your tendency is to aim this putter left. It's also a tendency for you to change the lie when we get to that, which is very interesting. Because he's a hands player, so you're going up and down a little bit before you start.
Yeah.
So we're going to need to look at that a little bit. So with that being said, look at the face impact. So that's the consistency part. This is the good news. You're 0.1 degrees open, so you're really delivering that loft to the ball pretty accurately. Okay, ball direction, interestingly, he goes with a closed face, right? Your closed face. And it's 0.3 degrees to the right. It impact.
It's almost like I'm trying to flip.
Yep. And see, look here. Look at this drag point. So, you know, we want to look at that a little bit. Now, let me go over here, though, and look at this. So obviously, how steady my hands are today. So here's this path. Okay, so here's this is all 5 of our assessment putts. Okay. Couple of these you actually made, but you consistently have the same path. So then the question is the putter fit to that stroke? All right. Path at impact, 1.4 right, to your point, into out, it's almost like you're trying to hook it. Path at impact, there's your arc, and your backswing ratio is 0.52, which is pretty darn good. This is one of the concerns I have with 2 degrees loft and closed face to start with, but then you open it. But if you look at your strikes, look what we have here.
That's pretty bad.
That's the flag right there.
Yeah, I have been healing them.
You're healing the heck out of it. Yeah. So we have to look at that, okay? Because let's get it in the center and see if that adjusts it. So we might need to look at a setup position, maybe eyes over ball or something to that effect. Interestingly enough, the launch, 2 degrees of loft, left face to start with, shaft is forward, delofted it, 2.8.
So that would make sense. So my stroke has actually changed because I was always 4 up.
Yeah, because see, now your rise is only 2.7.
So I'm almost going down.
Yeah, you're
I need to
going
start
down and
going
on the heel.
Yeah.
So we're trying to figure out, because you do, the face rotation is really quite good. I mean, look at the consistency on it.
Yeah.
I mean, impact time, your timing's good because you're feel guy. But we've got to get the strike better, and we've got to get that angle that you're hitting it at much better.
Yeah.
So let's do a couple drills real quick and see if we can get you started, okay?
Sounds good to me.